तेरे दर की हाज़िरी के लिए तड़प रहा हूँ, तेरे दर की हाज़िरी के लिए तड़प रहा हूँ, तेरे दर की हाज़िरी के लिए। खुदाया ऐसा कोई इंतज़ाम हो जाए मौला खुदा।
I am in West Bengal in India, in the village of Makalgacha. This is a local masjid for this institution. Alhamdulillah, through your generosity, as you can see, we have been able to complete first half of the masjid. But as Brother Siraj will tell you, we need to continue with this very worthy project and complete it. So I'll pass it on to Brother Siraj.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we have been given this opportunity to carry out such a noble work here. We've actually started building a mosque here. We've split the actual job into two phases. Phase 1 has been completed, alhamdulillah, with your donations, with your du'as, and with your support. The phase 1 has been completed. As you can see, I'm stood on the platform of phase 2. Alhamdulillah, we have come out the ground. We need to go a bit further now, and we need to speed the job up. At the cost of £30,000, inshallah al-aziz, we can complete this masjid, and inshallah this can become the heart and soul of the community. This will probably, we have 15,000 Muslims within the vicinity of this area, and inshallah this could become or will become the markaz of this area. Alhamdulillah, please remember the charity in your du'as. Please donate to this charity generously on www.westbengalcharity.org. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
तड़प रहा हूँ, तेरे दर की हाज़िरी